Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey team, 239realestatedeals.com LLC. Today we're at another opportunity for somebody in light of Hurricane Ian. We have this condo in Olde Naples. Much of the remediation has been started already, and the AC, electrical, all that is going to be addressed, and it's going to be a great opportunity for an end user, investor, or somebody that will see the potential here. We're in Castleton Gardens, and it's a beautiful community here in Olde Naples, and we're going to do a tour of the area and all of that so you can see what's involved, and this way you can enjoy the Naples lifestyle. Alright, so let's take a tour.